Okay, let's talk about the invisible science that's working hard to keep our medicines safe.
You'd think using 316L steel is the golden rule for pharma gear, right? Turns out that's a common myth.
So if it's not about one specific metal, what really makes equipment safe enough for our medicines? Well, good manufacturing practice, or GMP, doesn't actually name a material. It's all about performance.
The rules are simple. The surface can't mess with the drug in any way. It's the result that counts.
Now here's the catch. 316L steel fights corrosion well, but its softer surface can shed tiny particles.
This means the real battle isn't just about the steel itself, but what's happening on its surface.
And this is the goal, a surface so perfect that there's simply nowhere for contaminants to hide.
The key number to watch is surface roughness, or RA. It has to be under 0.89 micrometers.
Think of it this way. A rough surface has tons of tiny hiding spots for nasty bacteria to grow.
To get that smoothness, you have two main options, mechanical polishing or the even sleeker electropolishing.
But it's way more than just polishing. Creating a truly safe surface is a whole engineering process.
You start with perfect welds, then that precise polishing, and finally, a really crucial last step.
That step is passivation. It's like giving the steel invisible armor that supercharges its corrosion resistance.
There are even official standards, like these, that lay out exactly how pure these surfaces have to be.
So imagine you've done everything perfectly. But get this, a very strange problem can still pop up.
It's called rouging. You get this rust-colored deposit even in the most advanced systems with ultra-pure water.
And nope, this isn't your typical rust. It's a complex process where the protective layer itself starts to break down.
So what's the big takeaway from all this? You can't just rely on one magic material like 316L.
Real safety comes from a whole system. Every single step has to be perfect to create that ideal surface.
Kinda makes you wonder, right? What other hidden sciences are quietly protecting us every single day?